Probably more simple than a passage set. This is a 9101 Deadlock. This is dummy trim on both sides. Often you won't even see trim. You'll just see a cylinder on the outside, likely nothing, or maybe some type of pull. But to demonstrate the function, always rigid. The only way to secure this door is by key outside. So there is no ability to egress from the inside. So it's key outside only. So this would be like a storage closet where you don't necessarily fit inside the other side of the opening. It could be an electrical closet. It's very shallow. So basically this is how you lock it and unlock it. So it's a 9101 Deadlock.